You guys, it's moving day. I cannot believe the day is finally here. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. You guys, the time has come. I have officially left Los Angeles. The road trip is on. If you missed it, I am moving across the country by myself. It's happening right now. Today is day one. I'll link the video in the description box below where I explain a little bit more about why I'm leaving LA, but I'm at my first stop right now. We're stopping at Las Vegas for the night. Standing in front of me, I'm about to show you, is how we're traveling across the country. You know, I figured if I'm gonna move across the country by myself, I better go big. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I am driving to my new home in. It literally looks like a tour bus. I'm just living my best Hannah Montana dreams right now. Nicole the Nomad is going on tour. I'm so excited to be partnering with Monte RV for this road trip. They were so sweet to let me drive this Class A FR3. I think that's how you say it. Basically big, giant behemoth of a tour bus RV to get to my new home. Let's go take a tour. Here she is, and here's the driver. Y'all know that I wouldn't be able to drive this thing by myself, so shout out to my dad. Y'all know Pop Tart by now. He's coming with me on this road trip and he'll be driving the RV. Welcome to my home for the next week. Here's my dad's seat. Hello. Here's my seat. This RV is so amazing. Honestly, one of the nicest, most beautiful RVs I've ever seen. Here's the dining table. We've got a TV here. Full kitchen, microwave, stove, oven, drawers. This is my favorite. We've got enough freezer space for all my smoothie goods. And then it has this massive fridge where I was able to bring all of my extra refrigerator items with me. Here's our sink. It's got all the goods inside. We go over here. We got a couch here. This is a bed that drops down, which is super fun. We've got another TV here. And then the master bedroom with another TV. Nice big bed. And if you can see right off there, we have two little beach cruiser bikes. I don't know when and where we're gonna be able to stop to ride some bicycles, but hey, we got some bicycles and it comes with the RV. So cool. But get this, this is my absolute favorite part. I've never been in an RV like this before, so I'm just really excited about it. If you've never been in an RV either, comment down below, because this next thing that I'm about to show you is like the coolest thing ever, and I've never done it before. So if you look right here, we've got these little panels, and if you click out, check it out. This is literally, it's moving. Dad, help me out. Look at how much more room we have. Okay, but there's another one, check it. The bedroom comes out. So literally, you saw it before, it was so small before, and now we have all of this space to run and walk around in. This is a dance party floor if I ever saw one. So spacious. This is amazing. I'm just saying, so much room to dance. Seriously, thank you so much, Monte RV, for partnering with me on this video. We are so pumped to be traveling across the country in this. It's making our move so much fun, and also has helped me out with a little bit of storage space because your girl's got a lot of stuff. If you have done RV camping trips or road trips in an RV, I want to know what kind of RV you've been in. If you like them, if you hate them, like comment down below. I want to hear your RV stories. Good morning, it's day 2. We are in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Comment below where you think I'm moving. You are minutes away from finding out my new home. I'm so excited to tell you, but before I reveal my new city, I'm gonna do a quick Q&A. We haven't done one of these for a really long time on this channel, and certainly not since our family grew so big. You guys are almost at 300K. So exciting. If you're new to this channel, so grateful to have you here. Welcome to the family. Y'all submitted some really good questions and some questions for my dad too, so I'm just gonna try to rapid fire some of these and get through them really quick so that I can answer as many questions as I can. Okay, the first person wants to know, is the RV full-time? That's actually a good question. I didn't clarify. It is not. I have a place to live when I get get to my new city. This RV is just to move across the country. However, you just saw the tour of this RV and it's certainly big enough and nice enough to live in, so it's not out of the question. I might do it someday. Are you going to miss Disney? Yes, of course. Are you going to visit LA from time to time? Yes, I hope so. I miss LA so much already, and I do plan on popping back from time to time anytime something comes up for work. Favorite TV series? Ooh, probably Gilmore Girls or Newsroom. What about you?
Newsroom was great.
Ooh, this is a question for you. What is the craziest thing Nicole ever did? I could answer that for myself, but I feel like that question was for you.
She's crazy all the time. That's like hard to categorize.
It's true.
Headed off to New Zealand. I
studied abroad in New Zealand for 6 months. If you scroll way down in the depths of my YouTube channel, you'll find a couple of videos from when I lived there, but that was amazing. I would say the craziest thing I've ever done is leave the airport on my layover in Shanghai to go to Disneyland when I was in Korea. That was pretty crazy because I was by myself and I was really scared that I wouldn't get back on time and I'd be stuck in China. Why did you sell your car? Good question. I sold my car because I bought a new car, which I'm super excited to show you guys. I'll pick it up in my new city, so stay tuned for that. What are you most looking forward to about moving? Honestly, just a new chapter. There's a lot about the move that is like really sad because I didn't want to leave LA, but also super exciting. I love new cities. I love exploring. I love meeting new people. And so I think I'm just excited for a fresh start. Also, there's another really big thing that happened that I haven't told you yet that I'm really looking forward to that I will be sure to update you on. What's your favorite childhood memory with your dad?
You hanging on my head walking around Disneyland. It's actually Disney World because we went there more often.
Oh my gosh, I have a picture of that too. This picture right here is what he's talking about. I have a bunch. I really do have a bunch. And I think one that sticks out is dancing in the living room. We used to have these big stereos underneath the entertainment center in our living room. We played country music and my sister and I would dance around the living room with you. And then going boating was always really fun. How long is the road trip? We split it into 3 days. That's all I'll say. Oh, this is a good one. Does your dad still try your bowls after the onion smoothie bowl?
Carefully.
He does.
Very carefully.
He does try my stuff and he loves it. Is this your first time in an RV? Technically no, but my first time in this type of RV. We used to have like a little camper RV as kids. This is my first big one. Favorite road trip snacks? What's been your favorite on the road so far? I was joking with my dad all before the road trip that he couldn't eat the premium snacks. I had all my snacks laid out in different bags and they were organized according to category because he was with me a few days before the move helping me pack and get out. And there were some snacks that were like, these are just the okay snacks. But then there were the premium snacks that he wasn't allowed to touch until we got on the road trip because I wanted to make sure that we had the best snacks on the road trip for the best experience, if you know what I'm saying. So we've had circus animal cookies, little mochi balls. I also loved the skinny dipped chocolate covered almonds and peanuts. Which country would you love to travel to that you have never been to before? Ooh, definitely Greece. I was hosting a trip to Greece at the beginning of last year and I was going to take 12 of you with me and unfortunately had to be canceled because of the current situation in our world. But I do plan on doing it again. So comment below if you'd love to travel to Greece with me. We're gonna do an island hopping trip and it was gonna be so amazing and tropical and fun. What about you?
Greece and the Virgin Islands.
What is the secret to a good dad and daughter relationship? I feel like you're gonna have a different answer than me, so I'll go first. I would say learn how to communicate and further learn how each other communicates. And then second, do fun things. My dad and I have always done fun things together ever since I can remember, whether it was with my sister or as a whole family or even just the two of us. We've hiked, we've camped, we've traveled, we've gone to Disney together, gone to the beach. It doesn't have to be expensive or extravagant. Just do fun things. Sometimes we'd go out and like play in the dirt or build a treehouse or like whatever the stupid thing was. Do fun things together and then communicate. We have not always communicated well. And I don't really think we've figured that out until just this last year, which is crazy because I'm 25 years old. But we've had a lot of hard conversations about how each other communicates because we're very similar and so we can butt heads a lot. And so once we've had those hard conversations about, hey, this is what I need, this is what you need, we've understood more how we receive love and how we communicate better, and I think that's helped a lot.
And listen. Learn to listen.
That's good.
Most of the time we spend too much time talking and not listening. So learn to listen.
What made you want to pick up and move and travel in an RV? Nothing. I literally felt the Holy Spirit say I needed to move, and I heard him say specifically where, and so this is truly an act of obedience and me stepping out in faith because I feel like this is something I'm supposed to do right now in this season. And so many questions about where are you moving? Okay, fine, I'll tell you. I'm moving to